good quality team player at Ultrimax will be someone that has fun, has a good sense of humour, but also works hard.
The environment working here is fantastic. Everyone from the word go has just been so helpful.
They believe strongly in the product. They do genuinely believe in what they're doing, and they give you massive support.
It's really hands-on here. We all work really well as a team.
I think Ultrimax keeps you very much involved. It's very inclusive, it's very open. If there's anything that you want to know, there's lots of people who you can approach.
When I first joined Ultrimax, the role is actually quite wider than what I've done in the past. It's gave me more responsibility, managing more areas. I've had a lot of product training, internal from the managing director.
We say you've got to be hungry for success, both in their own career. We look for career progression with every staff member. We're always looking to improve. We always want to get those ideas from everyone in the team.
They like people to have suggestions and opinions. What I like here is that no day is ever the same.
Our tagline at Ultrimax is very simple: total paint shop support. We love to make it easy for our customers to do business with us, from the start, the prep, through the paint shop, and then into the finished bay, ready for dispatch.
Ultrimax provided me with confidence going out that I can sell the product that we've got. They have a very good support network. They're able to offer online resources for training.
From top up in the office right down to the floor here, everybody's on the same wavelength. Everybody knows the plans of the company, they see the visions, and everybody buys into it. And that's what makes it so good. Ultrimax in one word, I would say rewarding.
Dynamic.
Efficient, honestly.
Supportive,
Customer orientated.
fast-paced. That's 2 words.